It is a simple fact that email marketing will increase your commissions as an affiliate marketer. And that's why I want to show you today how to do it for free. To include a piece of the puzzle that most miss is the copywriting aspect of making your emails better, making them more effective, again, earning you more commissions. Also, the cool thing about this video is I'm going to show you everything step by step. There's a link in the description to get this free copywriting guide, as well as all these tools that you need to get up and running for free. And then as I show you each one of these steps, you can simply reverse engineer this and turn it into your own system that you can use to increase your affiliate commissions using email marketing. First, I want to show you the simple blueprint to the principles of copywriting that will instantly improve your email conversions. This will give your clients no choice but to click, and it will make sure that your emails convert with a few simple tricks that you need to know or have up your sleeve when you start email marketing as an affiliate. There's a link in the description. You can get this for $14.99, but I am going to show you how to get it for free. But before we move on, let's talk about building this system out. Your target audience is on YouTube. It's my favorite traffic source. You're going to provide value. You're going to solve your target audience's problem. They're going to land on your opt-in page. Your opt-in page, yes, we're going to build an opt-in page, and I'm going to show you how to do that for free. We're going to take a look at building a thank you page. And then, of course, your affiliate offer is the thing that you'll find where you will get them to click and buy your recommendation and earn a commission. But what we really want to focus in on here is this opt-in page and putting your target audience on your email list. And yes, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use, that you can get started with for free and use for free to build your email list and send out emails to more content and offers that you are an affiliate for, to get them over to the affiliate offer and, you guessed it, earn more commissions. The first thing you're going to need is an email autoresponder. GetResponse is free. You can simply click the link in the description, go over, click, and create your free account. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set this up inside of GetResponse to be able to put those leads, or what I like to call your audience, the people with the problem that you're providing a solution to, on your email list so you can follow up with them. And also, you need a page builder to build an opt-in page and those thank you pages. And you can get everything you need to grow your business for free simply by clicking on the link in the description and heading over and get your free groove.cm account. So now back to our email marketing system. Of course, we're talking about here, again, using my favorite traffic source, YouTube, to find your target audience and help solve their problem. We're going to build this opt-in page. We're going to connect that so you can see how your target audience will land in your email list that you're going to create in GetResponse. And then we're also going to take a look at this thank you page, building both of those in Groove and making sure you have that all set up to get these people, again, your audience, your target audience, the people with the problem that you have the solution for, on your email list so you can start following up with them, sending them emails to other content and offers to get them over to the affiliate offer page, and again, earn more commissions. Step number one, log into your GetResponse account, link in the description, open your free account, go to lists. Come down, create a list name. Here we'll just use the example, your first email list, we'll select create. That will create your first email list right here, and you will click on that and you'll see that it is empty. Our goal here, our task, is to get contacts inside of this email list. So back to the system of getting traffic and people over to opt-in page, we actually created this email list first inside of GetResponse because we're going to need that set up to connect it on our landing page that we're going to build inside of Groove. So click the link in the description, grab your free account, follow along inside of Groove. You can just hover over this pink G and you can scroll down and pop into Groove pages. Once inside of Groove pages, yours obviously will be empty. If you have just started your free account, you want to come up and you want to click New Site. Here there will be single page templates, and of course in your free account you will only see the free ones or have access to the free ones, but go ahead and pick one of the free ones and start with that template. Once you find one you like, simply hit select, give it a site name, click start building. Your template will load. Of course, you can see here I've made some modifications to this simply for the fact that this will take a lot of time for you clicking, for example, to add your logo. It's simply an image. This is a drag and drop builder. You would simply click choose image, and then you would select the image that is your logo that you upload. Of course, you would just click upload image and then upload that from your computer, upload that, select it, and then that would change your image. Again, this is a drag and drop builder. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on exactly how the builder works to get into the weeds of that, but it is that simple to just drag and drop, and of course just edit the text as you see right there. Then you have the ability to come over here, change the text, change the font, change all the kinds of things that you would change in a real page builder. And when I say real page builder, that is actually why I prefer to use Groove versus the option of building landing pages inside of GetResponse. But the idea here is you're simply going to create a page using a template. And in this case, we're going to change this text and we're going to say how to get TAL copywriting principles for free. Again, reverse engineer this as you see what I'm building. When you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you over to this page that we finalize here. You're going to see this in action and you're going to be able to build this system out for yourself. We'll go ahead and we will delete this. We will also delete this video that I have right here because I want to add an image. And in this case, we'll go ahead and confirm that. And then we'll come over to elements and we will simply scroll down until we find the image element. We will drag that image element over right here. We will drop that in and then we will select the image that we want to use by making sure that the image is highlighted, and then under configure, choose your image. Here we will upload the image. Click upload, that image will upload. We will select that image. Then we will click update. Then you can see here that is the image from the sales page. At this point, all I'm simply doing is showing you how to get TAL copywriting principles for free. This is the thing that I'm showing you. I'm going to show you how to get it for free. And then you can see here, if I X that, you can see the full screen. Make sure your emails convert with a few simple tricks. Start for free. It all starts with a simple blueprint. It's just a little bit of copy to entice people here to click here to start for free with the TAL copywriting principles. Of course, this element here is a GetResponse component. Under the GetResponse component, you click configure. Here's where you will integrate with GetResponse. To do the GetResponse integration with Groove, click on your account here, go under My Integrations, and it's simply a matter of clicking Add, dropping down the integration type, selecting GetResponse, and then adding your API key. And to add your API key, again, this may be a limit of the free version. If it is, then you can create a form right here to add into Groove pages. I have a video here on the channel that shows you how to do that, so check that out. But I'm going to show you this, integrations and API. Click integrations and API. Come in here, you can see all the integrations. You want to select API. And under API, you would generate a new API key, and you would generate that API key. And then you would simply copy that key, API key copied, take that back to GrooveFunnels, paste that API key in and select update. That is going to integrate your GetResponse right there. Go ahead, click exit. Go back to Groove pages, click on the GetResponse component, go under configure, drop down, GetResponse, select a list. Your first email list was the email list that we built. Go ahead and the thank you redirect link will be a URL, and that will be our thank you page. Select update, and that will change the settings there. And then of course, just so you understand exactly where we're at, we're talking about getting traffic from YouTube. This is your target audience. They find your content, they click on the link in your description, they land on this opt-in page we're building, they add their name and their email address, they click opt-in. That will add them to the email list. You're going to see in action here in a second. And then that redirection we just did is on this opt-in page. We'll redirect them over to the thank you page. The thank you page will tell them to either go to the affiliate offer page or to check their email inbox for the offer that you will then send them to get them back to the affiliate offer to make the purchase, and you will earn a commission. Again, the opt-in page has that redirect that we just created over to the thank you page. And again, that thank you redirect link is a URL. You select URL, you put in the link of your page. Of course, that page can be created right here under pages inside of your page builder, inside of your Groove account. And you can see the thank you page that I've created right here. And I did that simply by going clone to and cloning that page to this site under the primary navigation. Selecting clone page, and that page is created. And of course, now that I've cloned that page, it'll say something a little different. For example, it'll have the video right here showing you how to get that free copywriting guide. Without this form, I'll delete that form. And what I'll do is I will add in a button. Go over to elements, scroll down, find a button, drop that element in right there. And then of course, click here to edit that button. Under background, you can change the color. If you want the button to be red, which I do, change that to red. Then of course you can come down and change the size. And here you can say auto, or you can say fixed width, and then you can just make the button nice and big. And you can play with other options here to include the border and the different styles. For example, if you wanted to do something like that to make it a little more unique and stand out, go ahead, play with it. The cool thing is you'll see what I decided on when you click the link in the description to see this, and again, reverse engineer this step by step. But for now, let's go back to our opt-in page because what we need to do is publish. Here you will publish this website. You will click publish. Site publish in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. Click here to actually go to the page. That will bring your opt-in page up. Again, this is the opt-in page that people will land on when you provide that helpful information in the example of YouTube. They will enter their name and their email address. They will click start for free. And once they're subscribed, that redirect them to our thank you page with the video here with some helpful information on how to get, in this example, that HOW Copywriting Principles for Free blueprint for free. And they'll click this button, and that button will link to the affiliate product. Just like we saw in our diagram, your target audience from YouTube lands on the opt-in page. They opt in, they're redirected to the thank you page. Now let's check get response to make sure they're on our email list. And inside of get response, under list, your first email list, the example list that we created, there you can see that I successfully have my first email subscriber. And now I'm ready to start sending emails. Just like in our diagram, our target audience has opted in, they're on our email list. Now we're ready to follow up with additional content and offers to get them back over to that affiliate offer page. Click buy and earn a commission. Awesome. I hope you agree that now you have everything you need to step by step walk this back and reverse engineer this and set up your own system and get started with affiliate marketing and increase those affiliate marketing commissions using email. And to do that, link in the description, hop over, find out exactly how you can get that guide, that copywriting principles guide for free. So go ahead, click the link in the description and the pinned first comment. I look forward to seeing you in your email inbox, and I'll talk to you later.